Our workshop is called A Text-Based Approach to Teaching Phonics. It's based on using authentic texts rather than levelled readers to explicitly teach phonics in an integrated way. Our workshop is based on the chapter that we wrote for the Alphabetic Principle book, and our chapter focuses on literacy and learning about phonics in the early years of school. So it focuses very much on kindergarten, but it is relevant across all years of primary school. The workshop is underpinned by theory and research, so we spend quite a bit of time in the first module looking at the theory, the principles and the research that underpin our approach, which is integrated phonics teaching and learning. We look very much then at practical implications, so all through the workshop we invite you to think about the implications for your classroom and how you can build on the strategies that you're already using, and we have very practical tasks for you to complete that take the learning from the workshop and put that into practice through assessing and planning for learning. The workshop's divided into two modules. The first module looks at the principles and theory that underpin our approach, and then the practical implications as to what that means for you as a teacher. The second module is more practical, so it looks at a sample observation and analysing what children are able to do, so assessing for learning, and then it looks at planning for learning using authentic texts and the principles that we've looked at in Module 1.